That's me.
What's up guys? So in today's video I am super excited. Today we have another mukbang and today we are going to be doing Pizza Hut's new like Big Dipper type of thing. This is what we got going on right here. I'm so excited. I've been filming all day. I've been doing other YouTube things all day and so I'm hungry and I literally cannot wait. I cannot wait to eat this. So basically it's just this long thing and you can either get all cheese, all pepperoni, or you can do what I did and I did half. So half pepperoni, half cheese, and then it comes with some sauces, barbecue sauce, which, you know, honestly, I'm just gonna get her out of here. I can't do barbecue sauce. Fun fact about me, I cannot do barbecue sauce. It freaks me out, the smell of it. I can't, dude, I can't. So it comes with 2 marinaras and then it comes with a ranch, which, you know, ranch is my dipping sauce of choice. And basically what it looks like is it looks like there's no sauce on this pizza. It's literally just cheese and then bread, which I kind of like, you know. I'm kind of into because, you know, sometimes I don't like pizza because it's too saucy. Simple as that. Sometimes I just don't. I can't be dealing with it. But this way I can control my own sauce. So this is what we got going on here. I'm so excited. I had you guys ask me questions on Instagram because I feel like I haven't done a mukbang in a while. So we're going to eat a couple pieces first and then we'll start to answer some questions. Also, I'm not like bald. I have hair. I don't know. I feel like sometimes whenever I have my hair up, like I just look like I have no hair and I like look kind of weird. But yeah, the hair's right here. Thank you. So I'm going to do, I think, the pepperoni one first. I'm super excited. We're going to dip some ranch. Mmm. I'm a big breadsticks and cheese bread type of person, and this is literally just like cheese bread. This is so good. Let me know down below, have you guys tried this? What are you guys' thoughts? I watched a couple of different mukbangs on it. I've been wanting to do this video for the last 2 days. Amazing. I've literally been fucking dreaming about this. It's so good. I want to try just the regular cheese one. This probably just going to taste like cheese bread. Literally like cheese bread. I'm a bread. You know, like, I'm probably bread's #1 fan. Bread is just so good. And cheese. So, what have you guys been up to? I'm very curious. Have you guys been social distancing? Or are you still going out and about? Because I know a lot of people are still going out and about. I know a lot of people don't care. I'm staying at home though. Don't worry. I kind of really like this without, like, sauce. Let's get on to the questions. I really want to take a drink of water, but I have to go to the bathroom, so I don't know if we're going to be drinking any liquids. Somebody wants to know how I started my YouTube channel. So basically a long time ago I kind of just made a YouTube channel, and for the longest time I kept it from my family. My family had no idea. No idea that I had one, you know? And then one day I found out. And honestly, I was mortified. I was so mortified. But I basically like wanted to make a channel just because I love the idea of internet friends. One, I loved YouTube. And I loved watching it. And I was like, oh my god, I want to be a fucking beauty guru. Like, literally, that's what I wanted to be. Like, I wanted to be a beauty guru, you know? And so, kind of just made a channel. I wanted to be a beauty guru. And I also wanted internet friends. All of like middle school and all of high school, like I had friends. But I didn't have friends that related to YouTube. Or I didn't have friends that like loved watching YouTube videos and thought that was cool. And so, you know, when you have internet friends, it's like you guys click on something that's completely different. If you have internet friends, honestly, I think like 70% of this world has internet friends. If you have internet friends, then you understand. If you don't have internet friends, then you don't understand. Like, for the longest time when I would tell people, oh, like, yeah, she's my internet friend, they'd be like, huh? You either get it or you don't get it. But yeah. Basically started a YouTube channel. My parents didn't know about it. Then they found out about it. I was mortified. And then somebody else asked, somebody asked, why did you want to start YouTube? And that kind of goes, I kind of answered that as well. I wanted to like be a beauty guru and have internet friends. My favorite self-tan. So my favorite self-tanner right now, my self-tanner is so coming off. After I do this video, I'm literally going to take a bath and like soak it all off. But I actually have like, it's not this exact one. This is the dark shade. I prefer ultra dark, but the Baddie Sands one, Baddie Sands, if you're watching this, please send me a lifetime supply of ultra dark. Greatly appreciate it. I ordered that on Amazon. I accidentally bought the dark version, and I prefer ultra dark because, you know, like, I'm super white, and so now I have dark and I have ultra dark. But I'm giving that one to one of my friends. Okay. So, would you ever go on reality TV? Honestly, I always wonder this. Growing up, I really wanted to be on reality TV. I was like, bruh, every single time I take a bite of that, it like scrapes the roof of my mouth, and now I feel like I'm missing skin on the top of my mouth. But when I was younger, I wanted to do reality so bad. But like now, thinking about it, like I would still like to do reality, but like I think it would be really cool and I would love to do it, but then at the same time I think I would be like too scared to do it. But yeah. I'm gonna do a cheese one now. This is actually like really good. Okay. Somebody said, how do you not meddle with everyone else's drama? Meddle, does that mean like get involved? Alright, look that up, hold on. Interfere in, yeah. Honestly, I just don't care. I also don't really have so many people involved in my life that I feel like there is like a lot of drama. Like, the people that I talk to on a regular basis is Bianca, Roman, Lizzie, and Kelly. And there's like never drama between us, and they don't ever really have any drama in their life. No, actually, I don't ever interfere. I just hear about the drama. Like, I would prefer just hearing about it. And like, I don't have drama and I don't surround myself around drama. But like, I get a taste of drama, and I feel like I don't have to intervene with drama, just because like there's a lot of drama that Bianca knows and there's a lot of drama that Kelly knows, and so like they kind of just like update me on the tea, and then I'm like kind of like, I know the drama, you know, but like I don't have to get involved. Like, they're involved in it, but they're just telling me about it. I don't know, I just feel like I'm just too lazy, honestly. I think that's what it comes down to. It comes down to like, I don't have the time and energy. I cannot stand arguing with somebody. I literally hate arguing with people. It just bugs me because like I don't have the time, I don't have the energy. When I was younger, I was a drama-filled person, bitch. I was putting myself in everybody's business, like literally. Like, there was so much drama to the point where my parents wouldn't let me go to a normal public school because that's how much drama I was involved in. And like I was just always involved in some shit, and like not like getting in trouble because I was a really good kid, but like I was getting in trouble in like a way. So yeah, just don't, like, literally it's so much effort, like who cares? If you're a sleepy ass bitch like me, then you ain't got time for drama, for real. I've been getting a lot of questions about Roman, so I kind of want to touch on that because there's actually a lot of questions in there about him. Everyone's been asking, like, is he still in my life? Yeah, he's fine. He's literally here right now. He is currently eating Mexican food while I do a mukbang. He's eating outside on like the patio. But yeah, we're good. We're chilling. Everyone keeps bringing him up and I like haven't really touched on it. But like, we're cool. We're friends. How often in a week is good to eat pasta? You're asking the wrong person because honestly I think every day is pasta day. There has been times where I've eaten pasta 5 times a week. Not really proud of it. But what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Probably like 1 time a week. But I feel like there's also like, there's probably like health freaks out there that are like, oh my god, you can only eat pasta 1 time a month. In my opinion, you can eat it every day of the week. The next question is, how do you stop caring what other people think of you? And I feel like it's kind of a hard thing to do because if you just, like, if you need that validation of other people's opinion, then that's just kind of hard to get over, and like it's not easy to like, you know, not want that. It's a lot easier. Your life goes a lot more smoother when you just don't care about people's opinion. I think I've just always been a type of person that like doesn't care. And I've always been that way, and I really just like don't care what people think about me because like people my whole entire life, people have had something to say about me. I've grown up my whole entire life having somebody else constantly, like multiple people saying things about me on the daily, and you know, and it just like, it gets to that point where you literally just don't give a fuck anymore. And so honestly, until you reach that point, it's really hard to get over it. How do I gain confidence if I hate my body and my face? This is another one that I think is very hard, but I feel like how you can work on that, like if that's something that you're struggling with, is just do little things that like make you feel pretty. Like think about all the times that like you felt really, really pretty, and like what'd you do to make yourself like really, really pretty, you know? Like, did you do your makeup a certain way? Did you do your hair? Like, did you do skincare? Like when I'm feeling disgusting, like the easiest way is to get ready. Honestly, the easiest way is to get ready. If you hate your body, that's a little bit more of a hard one, honestly, because I, to this day, I really do not like my body. I really don't. I consider myself fat, and a lot of you guys don't consider me fat at all. It's just one of those things that I've kind of put in my head. I know that I kind of have like an okay body, but like not really. How I changed not liking my body is like about like a year ago, I noticed that I was gaining a lot of weight, and it's really because of all the weight comments that like everyone was leaving. I'm not saying you in particular, but all the people that were just, you know, leaving weight comments on my things and all that stuff, and it got to me, and I honestly started to really hate my body. I didn't want to post body pictures. I didn't want to post anything. I really didn't even want to be on YouTube that much. And how I switched that is, one, like I got Invisalign and all that stuff, and I stopped eating a lot because obviously I was gaining weight because I was eating so much food. And so I guess how I got over me not really liking my body is I started to lose weight to like, you know, make myself like my body again. So the biggest things that I can have, if you do not like your body, I don't know if it's a weight issue, I don't know if it's like you're too skinny and you want to gain weight, or you feel like you're overweight and you want to lose weight or whatever, work out, honestly. That's the best thing, because when you work out, like, your body's gonna feel good and then your skin's gonna look good. Also, if you feel like you don't like your face, I have those days where I really, really hate my face. Chug a bunch of water. It's really weird, but like when you chug a bunch of water, like your skin just looks so much better, and it's like, wow, like you could glow up in a sleep. Does that make sense? What are your goals for this year? So my goals for this year is, first, I would really like to hit 500k subscribers. I think that would be like amazing, and like that's like one of my goals that I really am looking forward to, like hopefully achieving, you know. The second thing that I really want to do is I want to make myself into a routine. That's like one of my goals. Like I want to be in a routine, like so bad. I want to have like a wake up at this time, do this 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 at this time. Like I want it to be structured, and I want it to be like one of those things. And then I think my third goal is I just really want to be like more active on social media, and I feel like I always say that, but I don't know, I just like, I go in these sleep episodes where all I do is sleep. Literally all I do is sleep, and all I want to do is sleep. I don't want to get ready. I don't want to get out of my pajamas. Like I'll literally lay in bed for 4 days straight and not do anything. And so I think one of my biggest goals, I want to get out of that habit. And I want to create more content, post content more. Like when the summer comes, like, bitch, I want to be posting on Instagram all the fucking time. I want to be posting on YouTube. I want to be posting on TikTok. Like, I just want to be posting on everything because I miss posting on everything. I used to be a person that was obsessed with Instagram. I would post like 4 times a day. That was before I became like a social media person, but like I would literally post on Instagram like 4 times a day because I was obsessed with it. I would make like 14,000 tweets. I would Snapchat my face all the time. And I feel like a majority of girls on like Instagram and all that stuff, they're like, they take stories and they take pictures of themselves, and that's just like not me, and that used to be me, and I don't know why it's not me anymore, but she needs to come back. I kind of wish I got wings. I was thinking about getting wings, and then I was like, you know, honestly, I wanted this whole entire video just to be about this pizza. If I got the wings, I would only focus on the wings. Okay. I'm not gonna answer any more questions, so we're just gonna eat now. Comment down below if you could eat anything right now, what would you eat? I feel like later, when I edit this video, I'm gonna crave Mexican food. Because currently Roman's eating Mexican food right now. He got a carne asada burrito and oh my god, I wanted it so bad. I really wish he went to go get like a cheeseburger or something because I didn't really want a cheeseburger. But when I was thinking between doing this mukbang, I kept thinking about Mexican food, bro. Okay, you guys, so I think I'm done with my mukbang. We've been recording for about 25 minutes now. Whenever I edit it down, I don't know how much it's gonna go. I wanted to be able to save some of this stuff so I can like give some to Roman and give some to my sister. They asked me, they're like, well, my sister was like, please save. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what mukbang would you guys like to see next. I really want to do a spicy noodle one. But the issue with the spicy noodles is like, bruh, I literally take like 5 bites of spicy noodles and then like my stomach hurts so bad. So I'm thinking about doing like a spicy noodle mukbang with something else so I can have like a combination of things. But yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn the little bells so you guys be notified when I post a video. Also, do not forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat so you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.